students. So today let us study the next example by graphical method. So if you remember, yesterday we studied one of the example how to plot the graph of the linear equation. This part we studied. So the most important thing is that you will have to frame this type of table, value of x, respective value of y, and then x comma y. That is the first step. So what we'll do, let us have a next example here. X plus 3y is equal to 5. Second equation, y is equal to 7 minus 3x. So let us think about the first equation. So if we start from here, I will write this equation: x plus 3y is equal to 5. What is the first step given in the earlier example we studied here? It was here written that write as y is equal to. It means that you get the equation in y is equal to format, and then when you get y is equal to, then you select values of x 1, 2 and 3 and get values of y. Now about this example, instead of framing y is equal to, so if I go to frame y is equal to, this will give you like this: 3y is equal to 5 minus x and y is equal to 5 minus x upon 3. So this is little bit will create headache for you because we get the denominator. So what we will do here, instead of doing this, I will make this equation in the format x is equal to, and if this 3y is brought here, it gives 5 minus 3y, isn't it? So I received here 5 minus 3y. So now what has happened here? It is very easy to select the value of y and get the value of x. So let us prepare a table for the first equation. This is the first equation, and the way I told you, let us select 3 values here. First value, let us have second value here, and third value, let us take this. Second equation, we will think over that side. Okay? Yes. So now, as I told you that here we are going to find the value of x. Therefore, you will have to have assumption about y. To me, इथे x is equal to 1, 2, 3 घेऊन चालणार नाही. तर आपल्याला y is equal to घेतलं. So here you will have to select for y is equal to. It is the same way. For y is equal to 1, 2 and 3. For y is equal to, so let us take, instead of 1, let us have value 2, and instead of again here, let us consider this 3. So we will copy this equation, that is, which will give you here value of x, value of x and value of x. So is equal to 5 minus 3 into bracket, 5 minus 3 into bracket, and 5 minus 3 into bracket. So what is the first value we consider here? 1. Here we consider 2, and y is equal to 3. Now what I am getting just right, it is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here again 5 minus 6 is equal to 1. Sorry, it is rather the negative 1. And here 5 minus 9, which will give you negative 4. So now see carefully, I received value of x here. So when frame the table below. So I will have to prepare a table like this. This will be first value of x, y, then it is x comma y. First value, second value, it is third value. This is x, y, and into bracket x comma y. Here also same way, dot dot comma dot dot. Here also blank format will be like this. I'll keep this format ready for my further preparation. Okay, so what are the values here? Here the values are 1, 2, 3, but these are, remember, these are values of 1. Therefore, this 1, 2, 3, I will write here 1, 2, 3. And which value I received here? So I received value of x, that is 1, negative 1 and 2, negative 1 and 0. So it is 2, negative 1 and negative 4. So what I will get here? So I will get that 2 comma 1. Negative 1 comma 2 and negative 4 comma 3. Is that clear? Yes, you can note on this. Okay, what we will do now? Let us take the second equation here. And what is the second equation? It is y is equal to 7 minus 3x. Now as it was done here, that get the equation in x is equal to format or y is equal to format. If you see this, here we get directly in the format of y is equal to. So you can select a value of x. So here we can select a value of x easily because I have the equation in the format y is equal to. So this content will be as it is that side. It means that let us note on this here for first value and for second. So what I am going to put here, that is same way here for x is equal to, because we have x to the right hand side. For x is equal to, so what are the values you are going to select? Again 1, 2, 3 you can select. Easy to understand. 1, 2 and 3. And what's the value of y? So this thing will not come here because we have got in this format only y is equal to format. So what is the result here? It is equals to 7 minus 3 into bracket. So bracket will be filled afterwards. So it is copied and pasted so that you will understand exactly what is to be done here. So this way you will have to copy the things as it is, and here it is 1, this is 2, and here it is 3. And see what is the result you get here. I find that 7 minus 3, 7 minus 6, 7 minus 9, 4, 1, 2. sorry, it's negative 2. Okay, and same way you frame this table there, this side. So what are the values of now here you see what I have done. Here we selected value of y, got the value of x. So x we wrote here, the y we wrote down here. We selected value of x, we received value of y is equal to y is equal to y is equal to. Don't forget this. These are the values of y. So I'll put here now what's the value of x. We selected there 1, 2, 3. So now 1, 2, 3 is here. And what are the values of y? 4, 1, negative 2. So result is 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, negative 2. Isn't it? Now it is very easy after receiving these two tables. See, this is a table of x plus 3y is equal to 1. That is a table of y is equal to 7 minus 3. Now this both the table you will have to plot on graph paper. What I will do, I will select this both the table. This is the first table. Let us have this second table. So this is the first table. I will copy on the next page, on the graph page. This is the first table. What's the equation? Let us put the equation here. The equation is x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is the equation. And what's the second? Second table is present here. And I'll put this side. I'll put below. So all this thing you will have to complete on the graph paper itself. So what is the equation of this table? We just put here. Okay. So this is the first equation, each table, second equation and table. I'll plot these points here. Okay. So what's the first point? Let us see here 2, 1. So it is 2, 1 presents here. 2, 1. Okay, what's the second? Negative 1, 2. Negative 1, 2. It is here. Next, negative 4, 3. Negative 4, 3. And we'll draw straight away lines using the scale as I showed you yesterday in the last period. Here it is. Get the scale match perfectly with this. Okay, what we'll do? So we'll put here. This is nothing but equation x plus 3y is equal to 5. Okay, by that time I'll keep this scale here. What is the next point? 1, 4, 2, 1. 1, 4. It is here. Next, second 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, it is present here. You see. So what will be? And next third point, 3 comma negative 2. Let us draw the line. Let us set the scale like this and this. Okay. Here it is. And then write the equation. What is that equation? Y is equal to 7 minus 3x. So we completed this procedure, plotting the graph of both the equations. Now if you see carefully here, you will see that we get point of intersection of these two lines, and this is nothing but the solution of these equations. So straight away you can put here that solution is, on graph paper itself you can put solution is into bracket, there it is 2 comma 1. जिथे ह्या दोन रेषा तुम्हाला छेदलेल्या दिसतात, त्या दोन्ही रेषा पहिल्या इक्वेशनचा तक्ता झाल्यानंतर आपण या पद्धतीने त्याची लाईन काढणार आणि दुसऱ्या इक्वेशनच्या तक्त्यावरून आपण दुसरी लाईन काढणार आणि त्या दोन्ही रेषा जिथे इंटरसेक्ट होतात तिथे तुम्हाला एक पॉइंट मिळणार, दॅट इज नथिंग बट 2 comma 1. रिमेंबर व्हॉट हॅज हॅपन हियर. इथे काय झालंय, पहिल्या लाईन मध्ये आपल्याला ते पॉइंट प्लॉट करतानाच कोएफिशियंट मिळाले. कधी कधी काय होऊ शकतं, तुम्हाला इकडे बाजूला पण पॉइंट एखादा मिळाला, 3 पॉइंट तुम्ही बाजूला घेतले, हा तिघांपैकी एक पॉइंट आहे बघा, पहिला पॉइंट, दुसरा पॉइंट आणि हा तिसरा पॉइंट. सोल्युशनला जो आपल्याला मिळाला आहे तो पहिल्या तिघातलाच एखादा एक पॉइंट आहे, पण प्रत्येक वेळी असं होईल असं नाही. तुम्हाला कदाचित वेगळ्या ठिकाणी 1 2 3 ही व्हॅल्यू आपण घेतली नसती, कदाचित हा पॉइंट तुम्हाला इकडे कुठेतरी मिळाला असता. बट यू विल हॅव टू रिमेंबर सोल्युशन इज इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ these two lines, that is 2 comma 1, and this is to be written here. Understood? So you will have to complete this work as well as you complete the practice set and upload in the Google form.